Hey guys, so we had a pretty bad storm, and I just wanted to share with y'all the damage, because this is absolutely crazy. Okay, so this swing was actually flipped over by the wind, and yeah, this swing is just poor. The screw came off of it, but it's right there. If you can't see, the screw's right there. And I also wanted to share with you this. I mean, y'all can probably hear the wind right now. Wow. I gotta stay back. Trace a tree falls on me. Crush any part of it. And yeah, so this almost hit my papa's car. Crazy. Look, split right in the middle, just split. And here, there's something. All right, I just wanted to share with y'all this.